On December 2nd, 2025, Sanford police in Seminole County, Florida respond to a house fire. The family is safely evacuated, but one officer will risk his life to rescue a husky still trapped inside.
Come up! Hey, Sarge, come to the back really quick. Come to the back. Come on.
We got to carry the cage. There's a Tesla in the garage.
Okay, come on. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It's hot.
Go.
It's somewhat still breathing. I'm just waiting for our mask from one of the other units. It's just smoking inhalation.
The officer races to secure an oxygen mask for the unresponsive husky.
Leo. Come on, buddy. There you go. Open your eyes.
Wow.
Good job. Hey, man, dogs are family, man.
The husky was later transported to the veterinarian.